Hello guys, hello from the forest. I have a very good news for those who are interested in learning Russian. You know that in St. Petersburg I started to prepare a marathon of Russian, and I can say that it is done. And I will give you the link how you can join it, and I want to tell you about this. All these years I gave only individual classes, but I wanted really much to make something like a course, and I decided to start with a short marathon now. That will be like my first experience actually, so these people who will come, you will be my first students for this format of study. Sorry, a lot of sun. What will be? It will be not just the alphabet marathon, how I planned. It will be actually very useful thing that will help you to make your first steps in studying Russian. And we will learn the alphabet, sure. First week we will learn the alphabet, and second week we will practice it. We will learn how to read in Russian, and then after that we will also learn how to speak about ourselves, like what's your name, where are you from, what you love to do, what you don't like to do, who you are, what's your profession. These things we also will learn, not just the alphabet. But of course, main thing why it's good to start it with me, because I'm not just a teacher, I'm also a native speaker. So I will help you to make your pronunciation clear. How it will be? It will be the 2-week course in Telegram. We will have 5 classes. First 2 classes will be about the alphabet, 3 classes about pronunciation, basic phrases like hi, how are you, good morning, so on. And also we will write the story about us. In our Telegram I will post the videos, like classes will be short, from 3 to 13 minutes, not big. You will have time for this. And also homework, like you will send me audios how you pronounce the words, you will send me your notes, so you will send me homework individually. Everyone will send me individually. I will not take other teachers. You will work right with me. So who wanted to start working with me, try to work with me. That's a good chance, because I will check all your homeworks, all your audios, how you pronounce words myself. So I wanted to make it affordable for everyone, and these 2 days it will cost just $44, and next 2 days will be a bit more expensive. It will cost $10 more. For those who really want to start, you can join right now. You can pay just with your card without the problems. That's why I decided to make in Telegram channel with your card from your country, and then we just start. We start on Monday, and for 2 weeks, next 2 weeks, we work with you, very hard work. First I will show you how to pay. You just follow the link and choose buy. That's all.
Can take a pen.
That's how the videos will look like. I explain how to pronounce different sounds, and also how to say simple phrases. After every video we get homework that you send me individually, and also some simple games. And we'll be happy if you come, and have a nice day. But don't forget, for your responsibility for results, that you need to do homeworks. So see you soon, maybe see you on my channel, and have a good day.